Here we have a Glow Time LED Therapy Mask by Wavytalk. This is what comes with it. It's the mask. This mask is really nice because it's this like soft bendy material, so it wraps around. There's the plug. Here's these little things so you could put for your eyes. You get this nice little bag to put it away. The controller right here, the power cable to charge it, and these are for your eyes. Their little protectors go here. This strap is to hold it in place. You loop it here on both sides, and the instruction manual which shows you the 4 different waves. Each color represents something else. It does something else, and if you look at this, it'll tell you. Don't forget to remove the plastic film behind the mask. So you could adjust the level on each setting. There's 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. You see the bars there. The timer you could adjust also right here on the bottom. You press the time, it changes it in increments of 5. And the mode, you press the mode, it changes the colors, and it tells you what it's for rejuvenation, anti-fine lines, anti-acne. So there you go. And then this is how you change the levels. You just press it. And to turn it off, it says right there, long press for 2 seconds, and it turns off. Same way to turn it on.